One of the issues of electric cars is the lack of engine noise. It makes other sounds more apparent when you're driving. Wind, tire, and exterior noise are noticeable in the Model 3. There are some methods to combat this issue. Sound deadening in the doors and body and wheel wells is expensive. The choice of wheel size and tires can also make a big difference. Two other fixes include adding more door seals and a glass roof silicone band. This video will cover the door seals. My next video will test the glass roof bands. The results of both changes may surprise you. The kit I ordered on Amazon features custom cut seal strips for the front and rear doors, A pillar near the front door, and B pillar near the rear door. Each of these different areas uses a specific type of rubber strip. Some, like the A pillar, are flat, and the B pillar uses a round tube design with a sealed top. The front and rear door bottoms use a tube design, For the installation part of the video, I'm just going to be using the captions and I'm not going to be recording any voice. After that, I will show the results of my sound test. I ran at least 4 different runs for this experiment. I used the same conditions including weather, HVAC, speed, and road location to reduce variability. For testing, I used the dB Meter app on an iPhone XR. I realize cell phones are not the best microphones, but the main point of this is to determine the difference with and without door seals. Here are the results for the original car. On local road, 64 dB, and for highway, 73 dB. The results with the door seals on local road is 56 dB, and for highway, it was 66 dB. To me, there's a slight reduction in noise. Whether it's worth the $30 to $40 to you is a decision that you need to make. A side benefit of these seals is that it keeps water and dirt out of the doorway area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I will show you the glass roof silicone bands.